In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to the N8n platform, enabling you to integrate these two powerful tools in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're new to N8n, I'll guide you through each step, making sure you're comfortable with the process. So, let's dive right in. We'll begin by heading over to the N8n website, which serves as your gateway to this versatile workflow automation platform. You don't want to miss this step because everything starts here. You can find N8n by simply searching for N8n in your preferred web browser or following a direct link if you have one. Once you're there, you should see an option to sign in to the platform. If you are not already a registered user, you will need to create an account. This platform offers a variety of tools that can help you automate many tasks, so becoming familiar with it will surely pay off. Once you're signed in, navigate to your N8n dashboard. This area is like your command center, where you'll manage all your workflows and automations. It's designed to be intuitive, but take your time to explore the various options and functionalities available. Now, from the dashboard, we're going to move on to creating a new workflow. You'll typically see a prominent button or section labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click that. Creating a workflow is like setting up a new project that will house all of your tasks, so think of it as the foundation for your automation. With the workflow set up, you'll want to start adding nodes. Nodes are essentially the building blocks of your workflows in N8n. You'll see an Add Nodes option, which you should select. From here, you can start to see how everything comes together. The process of adding nodes is quite flexible, allowing you to customize your workflows to fit your needs specifically. In this tutorial, the node we're particularly interested in is for WordPress. So, in the search bar, type WordPress to find the node you need. This search function makes it easy to find nodes quickly, saving you time. Click on the WordPress node to add it to your workflow. This node will allow your workflow to connect directly to your WordPress site, opening up a number of automation possibilities. And there you have it, the basic steps to connect WordPress to N8n. With these nodes in place, you can start automating tasks between WordPress and other platforms connected through N8n. Whether you're automating post updates or syncing data, you're now on your way to a more efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!